everyone, welcome to Lori's Tech Time. I'm so excited to show you what I have today. It is my new computer, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that I've been streaming on my iPad, and I love my iPad and I use it all the time, but it is not a computer. So I'm so excited to show you what I have today. Are you ready? It is an Alienware X15 R1. And even the packaging right here is amazing. I don't know if you can see the details on the camera or not, but it looks gorgeous. There's a little alien right there. And you've got details over here. This X15. And look, a little alien head there. Alright, so it's 15 right there. Okay. I came with this Alienware 15. I got this from Dell.com, and Alienware is a gaming computer, if you don't know. And I got the laptop version so I can take it anywhere. Came with these cute stickers. Look at that, I don't know what I'm going to do with that sticker yet. So it's telling you all about Alienware. They started in 1996. Alright, I'm gonna turn this computer on for y'all. I'm so excited. I've already turned it on, so I know what it looks like. And I am impressed. See all those colors? And you can change these colors. Let's go to the changing colors. I'd like to show you this. This is pretty cool. Alright. Can you see that? Aliens lit up there. And the back is lit up too. So cool, so cool. And I thought that it would just be like one color. But you can make it any color you want. Alright. Alright, we're on the default theme. Go to FX. Lighting, advance. There's this where I can do the keyboards. All keys. Let's see if we can make it. Let me pick. Alright, let's see. Can make it. Let's see, I can do the numbers. Let's see, make the numbers green. The letters. Look at that. You can just do all different colors. I had no idea that you could do this. Alright, so, and then we could do alright, so we got a green and pink thing going on now. Make these green and these pink. And you can make it like rainbow colors if you want. I did that the other night. Alright, so I can change this. Let's make this yellow. So cool. Oh, look, let's change this color back here. Oh, it made the alien head pink too. Like how my alien had one color and that one another color too. To my alien head. Yeah, look at that. So cool. Oh. It says it lost connection. How did I lose connection? It's got cool things. Look at the alien head. And I downloaded BattleCats. Hey guys. So that's my new computer. And I also downloaded Streamlabs. And I have this. I haven't had this yet. So I'm trying to get used to my new computer. Alright. And I'll do another video on this one if you guys want to. Put below in the comments if you want to know about this. This is a face cam, and it's Ilago, and it is full HD. It's good for streaming. So I'm excited. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button.